You can download this unique blog post text file from description below and use it on your site. Hashtag title, Unleash the Power of AI, Integrating ChatGPT into your Android app. Hashtag introduction. Hashtag in the fast-paced world of mobile app development, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. One way to do this is by integrating cutting-edge AI technologies into your Android app. ChatGPT, a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI, offers immense potential for enhancing user experiences. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the steps of integrating ChatGPT into your Android app. From setting up the environment to implementing the chatbot, we've got you covered. Hashtag setting the stage, preparing your development environment. Hashtag before diving into the integration process, it's essential to set up your development environment correctly. Here are the key steps to get started. Hashtag 1.1 Choose the right IDE. Hashtag selecting the right integrated development environment, IDE, is crucial. Android Studio, the official IDE for Android app development, is a popular choice among developers. It provides a robust set of tools and features for Android app development, making it the preferred choice for most. Hashtag 1.2 Install the necessary dependencies. Hashtag to integrate ChatGPT into your Android app, you'll need to install some dependencies. The most critical of these is the OpenAI GPT-3 API. You can easily add this to your project by including the API key and relevant dependencies in your app's build.gradle file. Hashtag 1.3 Set up your Android emulator. Hashtag having a functional Android emulator is essential for testing your app. Android Studio comes with a built-in emulator that allows you to simulate different devices and Android versions, making it easier to ensure your app works seamlessly on various setups. Hashtag 1.4 Create a new Android project. Hashtag with your development environment set up, it's time to create a new Android project or open an existing one. Ensure that you have a clear idea of your app's structure and layout before moving on to the integration phase. Hashtag integration magic, adding ChatGPT to your app. Hashtag now that your development environment is ready, let's dive into the process of integrating ChatGPT into your Android app. Hashtag 2.1 Initializing ChatGPT. Hashtag the first step in integrating ChatGPT is initializing it within your app. You'll need to use the OpenAI API to create a connection to the ChatGPT model. Make sure to securely store your API key and access tokens to protect sensitive information. Hashtag to initiate a conversation with ChatGPT, you can send a series of messages as input. These messages should follow a structured format, including a user message and a system message. The system message helps set the behavior and context for the conversation. Hashtag 2.2 Handling user interactions. Hashtag to create a dynamic chatbot experience, you need to handle user interactions effectively. This involves processing user input, generating responses, and presenting them in a user-friendly format within your Android app. Hashtag 2.3 Implementing natural language processing. Hashtag natural language processing, NLP, is a critical component of ChatGPT integration. It enables your app to understand and respond to user queries naturally. Utilize NLP libraries and tools to enhance the accuracy and relevance of chat's responses. Hashtag seamless user experience, enhancing ChatGPT integration. Hashtag to ensure a seamless user experience, you must go beyond basic integration and fine-tune ChatGPT to meet your app's specific requirements. Hashtag 3.1 Personalizing the chatbot. Hashtag personalization is the key to engaging users. Tailor chat's responses based on user preferences and historical interactions. This can include using user data to suggest relevant content, products, or services. Hashtag 3.2 Implementing multilingual support. Hashtag if your app has a global user base, consider adding multilingual support to ChatGPT. This allows users to communicate with the chatbot in their preferred language, expanding your app's reach and appeal. Hashtag 3.3 Enabling voice and text input. Hashtag enhance user accessibility by providing both voice and text input options. Voice recognition technology can be integrated to allow users to interact with ChatGPT through spoken language, making the experience more natural and inclusive. Hashtag monitoring and maintenance, keeping ChatGPT running smoothly. Hashtag once you've successfully integrated ChatGPT into your Android app, the work isn't over. Monitoring and maintenance are essential to ensure optimal performance and user satisfaction. Hashtag 4.1 Continuous training. Hashtag to keep ChatGPT up to date and relevant, consider implementing a continuous training process. Periodically retrain the model using user-generated data to improve its responses and accuracy. Hashtag 4.2 Performance monitoring. Hashtag regularly monitor the performance of ChatGPT within your app. Analyze user feedback and usage data to identify areas for improvement. This proactive approach will help you address issues promptly and enhance the user experience. Hashtag 4.3 Security measures. Hashtag maintaining the security of user data and interactions is paramount. Regularly update your app's security protocols to safeguard sensitive information and protect against potential threats. Hashtag conclusion. Hashtag integrating ChatGPT into your Android app can revolutionize the way users interact with your application. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a dynamic, personalized, and user-friendly chatbot experience that sets your app apart from the competition. Stay ahead of the curve and harness the power of AI to delight your users and drive engagement.